Today, I'm going to walk you through how to boost your Telegram group and unlock awesome new features that can really set your community apart. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take your Telegram group to the next level, get access to special tools, and attract more engaged users. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up Telegram and head straight to the group you want to boost. If you're not sure how to find it, just look for it in your chat list or search its name at the top. Once you're inside the group, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You should see three small dots, often called the More Options menu. Give those a tap. If you don't see them right away, don't worry, sometimes Telegram changes its layout a bit, especially on different devices. Another way is to click directly on the group's profile picture or name at the top to enter the profile section. Now, inside the group's profile, look for either the Boost Group button or those same three dots. Click Boost. This is where the magic starts. Some people get tripped up here, so just take your time and explore both the profile and the menu if needed. But here's an important point. Boosts can only be given by members who have Telegram Premium. Unlike some apps where you can buy boosts for your group, Telegram has made this feature exclusive to premium subscribers. Why does this matter? Well, it means boosts actually come from real invested users, not bots or fake accounts. It's kind of like getting a stamp of approval. Your group earns its boosts through real community support. So how do you actually get these valuable boosts? One of the simplest ways is to share your unique boost link. Each group has its own boost link, something like t.me/yourchannelboost. You can copy this link from the group's settings or boost page and share it with your audience. Post it in your chat, pin it to the top, or even share it in other social media channels. Take a moment here to invite your community. Say something like, if you're enjoying this group and have Telegram Premium, you can really help us out by boosting us right here. Now, gathering boosts sometimes needs a little nudge. That's where giveaways and contests can come in handy. Many successful groups use Telegram bots to help run these events. For instance, you might host a contest where anyone who boosts the group and sends a screenshot gets entered to win a prize. Giveaways don't have to be complicated or expensive. It could be anything from exclusive digital content, shoutouts, or even group roles with special privileges. Just remember, be clear in the rules and always check that participants actually have Telegram Premium before counting their boost. As your boost count grows, your group will start leveling up. Each new level unlocks fresh features, like custom color themes for your group, the ability to post longer stories, and even a cool vanity URL to make sharing your group easier and more memorable. Think of each level like reaching a new milestone or badge. It's not just about bragging rights, but about accessing tools that help you grow your group and make it more fun and engaging for everyone. And that's the process. Remember, building up boosts might take a bit of time, especially if you're just starting out, but every boost you get is a sign of genuine support from your members. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or want to share your own boosting tips? Drop a comment below, I read them all. And if you want more Telegram guides and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and best of luck boosting your group.